Harmonic progression, or HP, a sequence A1, A2, A3, and so on up to AN, is known as harmonic progression if 1 over A1, 1 over A2, and so on, 1 over AN forms an AP. In other words, we can say that if you take reciprocal of an AP, you get HP. So if 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, if this is an AP, then 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 6, and so on, this will form an HP. So if three terms A, B, and C are in HP, then we know that 1 over A, 1 over B, 1 over C will be in AP. And we know that 2 over B will be equal to 1 over A plus 1 over C for any three terms in AP. This is the relation. If you simplify this, we get 2 over B is equal to A plus C over AC, or B is equal to 2AC over A plus C. So this is the relation between terms A, B, and C when they are in HP. The nth term of an HP is the reciprocal of corresponding AP. So it is 1 over AN. So here it will be 1 over A1 plus n minus 1 times D, where D is the common difference of the corresponding AP, and 1 over A1 is the first term of corresponding AP. And so this is the formula for nth term of an HP. If first three terms of the sequence 1 over 16, comma A, comma B, comma 1 over 6 are in GP, and the last three terms are in HP, and find the values of A and B. So we are given with that the first three terms, so 1 over 16, A and B, they are in GP. So from here, we get a relation that A square should be equal to 1 over 16 times B. So that's one equation. Second, we are given with the last three terms are in HP. That means A, B, and 1 over 6, they are in HP. And we know that if there are three numbers, they are in HP, then the relation between them is that the middle number is equal to the first term times the last term. So 2 times A times 1 over 6 divided by the sum of first and third term. So A plus 1 over 6. If we simplify this, we get B is equal to 2A over 6 divided by 6A plus 1 over 6. We can cancel out 6. That means we have B equals 2A over 6A plus 1. So this is one relation that we have for B. And the second relation that we got was 16A square is equal to B. Now, if we compare these two, we get 16A square is equal to 2A over 6A plus 1. We can cancel out 2 and 16, so it will be 8. And we can cancel out 1A. So we have 8A is equal to 1 over 6A plus 1, which is same as 48A square plus 8A minus 1 equals 0, which can be factorized as 4A plus 1 times 12A minus 1 equals 0, from which we get two values of A as A is equal to negative 1 over 4 and 1 over 12. Now we have the values of A. We can find the values of B. B is equal to 16A squared. So when A is negative 1 over 4, in that case, B will be equal to 16 times negative 1 over 4 squared. So that is 16 times 1 over 16, so 1. And when A is equal to 1 over 12, B will be equal to 16 times 1 over 12 squared. And that's 16 times 1 over 144, that is 1 over 9. So finally, Harmonic mean or HM. If there are three terms A, H, and C, and they are in HP, we know that the reciprocals of these will be in AP. So 1 over A, 1 over H, and 1 over C will be in AP. And for any AP, we know that the common difference is same. So 1 over H minus 1 over A is equal to 1 over C minus 1 over H, which gives us 2 over H is equal to 1 over A plus 1 over C, or H is equal to 2AC over A plus C. Here, this value of H is called the HM between two numbers A and C.